All right, guys, day 3. Ooh, and I don't have a joke today, or day 3. I guess it's technically day 6, but this is for Thursday, April 16th. And this is your third lesson for your second week of e-learning. I'm trying to think of a good joke. Let me think about a joke. I don't have one right now. And maybe we won't have one today. If not, I'll come back with one on Monday or next Tuesday, okay? All right, so we've been talking about graphing and surveying and things like that. So yesterday we talked about picture graphs, and today we're going to talk about bar graphs, okay? Now, again, on these, it's all going to say like your classmates, whatever. We have to work with what we got. This says survey 10 classmates what their favorite winter activity is between sledding, ice skating, skiing, and snowboarding. We don't have 10 classmates around us, and I don't have anybody here to ask. So I'm just going to make it up. So I'm going to pretend like 2 people like to sled. So I would color in 2 boxes the best I could. This doesn't need to be perfect. You guys are going to be doing this on your actual worksheet, so it'll look different. I'm going to say 3 people liked ice skating. 1 person liked skiing. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And 4 people liked snowboarding. So I color in 4 boxes. So if you guys look down at the numbers down at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, where the number lines up, that's how many you should color. So it says our class likes blank the best. So I'm going to put SB for snowboarding, okay? So our class likes snowboarding the best because looking at the bars, this one is the longest, okay? Pretty basic stuff. And this is page 549 in your math book. I'm sorry, I should have told you that earlier. 549, okay? Now, does this make it bigger? Oh, there's a button that says wipe screen. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's just going to change my life. Okay, so now it says a bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color 1 box for each vote. Bar graphs can look different, okay? So if we're looking here, they already created this one for us. So we have to look at these. Oops, sorry guys, I accidentally paused the recording. We have to look at these tally marks, and it tells us the total over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. So 4 total people liked toast the best. So they wrote it this way. They colored in 4 boxes this way. Same way with cereal and eggs. So there were 5 people that liked cereal and 2 people that liked eggs. So cereal is going to be the most filled up because they liked it the most. And then eggs is going to be the least filled up because that's what they like the least. So this one goes along this way, and this one goes up and down. It can look either way. It doesn't matter, okay? So it says use the tally chart to make a bar graph. So we need to look, and it says there's 4 people that liked blueberry. Their favorite muffin was blueberry, so total 4. So how many boxes are we going to color in for blueberries? 4. This one goes long ways, so we need to look down at the bottom and see where 4 here is. We need to color in 4 boxes. And guys, I'm just going to draw a line, okay, to the number 4. All right, now we need to go to strawberry. 2 people like strawberry. And if it helps you guys to see and use a different color, that's fine too. So you can change your color for strawberry. So 2 people liked strawberry. Lemon, only 1 person liked lemon. So just 1. And then cherry, 5 people like cherry. So go here and get red for cherry. So I'm going to go all the way to the end. Now, you guys could color those boxes in the best you can because I think it's a good visual. But you can look which one's the longest. Cherry. And now look, we go all the way here. So now we know there's 5 people like cherry. Okay? It's just another visual for you guys to see. So let's go to our next page here. We're going to make another one. Oh, well, sorry guys. Hang on a second. All right, guys, sorry about that. My session expired, so I had to log in again. We're back. I'm back on my page. All right, so we already did this page. So now we're on page 551. We're doing the exact same thing. It says complete the tally chart. Use tally chart to make a graph. I think the tally chart's already completed. Oh, we need to fill in the totals. Okay. So we need to count the tallies and then fill in the totals. So let's see. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Try to make that as small as I can. Now remember, we count this as 5, then one more is 6. 1, 2. Ooh, these boxes are so small. And then 5. We know that's 5. Okay. All right, so now we're going to be able to use this to make our bar graph. And again, guys, this isn't supposed to be hard, okay? So the first one's red, and we had 4 people that liked red. So 4. Okay, and again, you guys should color in 4 boxes then, okay? 4 boxes. Now we are on blue, so we look at our chart here, and we had 6 people who liked the color blue, or their shirt was blue. So that goes all the way to the end of our bar chart, or our bar graph, I'm sorry. So we're going to go all the way to the end. Black was 2, and I don't think I have a black, so I'll just go blue again here. 1 box, 2 boxes, and then green was 5. So I'm going to have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Again, you guys can look at those lines, and yours would be boxes colored in. Which one is the longest, or which one goes the longest, and it's the blue. So more people had blue shirts on than anybody else. All right, now we have, I feel like this color is kind of hard to see. We have to do left-handed or right-handed. So if we look here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 people who are left-handed. So we're going to tally mark 4, or we're going to write the number 4. And then if we tally mark how many people are right-handed, it's 5, 6. And this time we're going to go up with our bar chart. So here, or why do I keep saying bar chart? You guys aren't here to correct me. Bar graph. So here we have left-handed, and there are 4 people that are left-handed. So I'm going to color in, and we're going to go up and down this time. So it would be 1 box, 2, 3, 4. And then we have right-handed. And we have 6. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this shows us, this shows us which one has more, the right-handed, because the right-handed bar is taller. Here it's longer. Up here, the blue one's longer. Here it's taller. Okay. All right. Okay, so it says problem solving. Use the data to fill in the bar graphs. It says Alyssa took a survey to find which juice pop flavor 15 friends liked. 6 voted for cherry, 5 voted for grape, 2 voted for orange. The rest of her friends voted for lime. Okay, hang on 1 second here. All right, so let's go ahead and fill in the information that we know. So we know that 6 people liked cherry. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to get my red for cherry, and I'm going to color in 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five voted for grape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 voted for orange. And it says the rest voted for lime. So we know that there were 15 people total. Okay. Now we need to figure out how many people she surveyed first. So this is a 2-step problem. Okay. So we need to add 6 plus 5 plus 2 to figure out how many people she surveyed so far. How many people we know what they like. So let's do 6 plus 5 first. That's 11. Woo, sorry guys. And then 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, so we know that we know 13 people, what 13 people liked. But we also know that she surveyed 15. So how many do we not know? We need to take 15 minus 13. And we know that that's 2. So that means there's 2 people that liked lime. So we need to fill in our graph here. And 2 people liked lime. Okay, that was kind of a tricky word problem. That's a 2-step problem. Okay, so 2. All right, let's clear my screen here. And look at that pretty chart. Cherry was obviously the most popular, so let's clear it. All right, so it says Luke took a survey of 18 friends to find their favorite soup. 4 voted for chicken soup. Okay, 4 voted for chicken. So we're going to do chicken first. And we're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes for chicken soup. Okay. 6 voted for vegetable. Now make sure you don't put it on tomato. You need to put it on vegetable. So let's go ahead and do 6 vegetable. Sorry, guys, I'm getting out of the lines here a little bit. Okay, so we have our 6 vegetable. The same number of people voted for tomato soup and noodle soup. So we know that 18 people total were surveyed. We have 6 and 4 that we already know the answer to. So 6 plus 4, guys, this is like a 3-step. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we know 10 people. Woo! My mouse is going crazy. So 18 minus 10 to figure out how many people we don't know. 8. There are 8 people we don't know. Now it's telling us the same number voted for tomato soup and noodle soup. So what doubles fact equals 8? 4 plus 4 equals 8. So that means 4 people liked tomato and 4 people liked noodles. So we need to color in 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I go too far? Yes, I did. Let me try to just erase that part. One, 2, 3, 4. Let me fill this in a little bit better here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And we're not going to do the hot problem. Okay. And that's all we're doing on here for now. So that's a little bit about bar graphs. Okay. Let's erase that there. Now for seesaw, you guys are going to go to activities. And it's creating bar graphs. Okay. So you're going to go in here and I'm going to add a response. It's a sample student. And you're going to do it just like what we've been doing. So it tells you over here the number of votes, fish, count the tally marks. I want you guys to pretty much do this on your own. And then you're going to write the total in here. You can use a text box. And then you have to color these bar graphs in. Okay? You're going to have to take the tools away to see it. So you have fish, turtle. You're going to have to write in dog, horse. You need to write in elephant. And then I can't see what's over here, but I'm guessing you're going to need to write cat if it's not filled in. Okay? Do your best. Count the tally marks. Make a graph. I don't want to do too much of this with you today. I want to see how you can do it, okay? All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. You guys are doing awesome. I'm so proud of all the work that you've done so far. Keep up the good work, and I will see you guys soon. Miss you all. Bye.